Mark, thank you. We'll talk to you then. A man in custody accused of killing his own mother could be out on the streets in just a few days.
WDRB Stefan Johnson explains why and shares the family's concerns. Now, family members are worried about his potential release, Stefan.
Yeah, they have a lot of concerns. Gavin Perkins was initially charged with murder, but the charge was dismissed after he was found incompetent to stand trial. As a result, he is scheduled to be released from a hospital this weekend, but his family members believe he's a risk to them and the public.
We've been on pins and needles.
Kirsten Russell and Chad Perkins are siblings.
We're just trying to prevent something really bad from happening.
And the concern you hear and see is related to their brother.
We saw him unravel over time, and we lost him over time, but we really lost him the day he took my mom's life.
Gavin Perkins is accused of shooting and killing his mother, 69-year-old Ruth Perkins, in 2018.
He is a clear and present danger.
Gavin was charged with murder, but the charge was later dismissed after he was found incompetent to stand trial.
The second to last court hearing that we had, my sister and I both went up to him and spoke with him, let him know how devastated we were with what he did.
The siblings say their brother suffers from persecutory delusional disorder.
It's one of the hardest to treat, and he believes that specifically government agents are out to get him. The FBI, the police, CIA, anyone like that.
Earlier this year, a judge ordered Perkins to be involuntarily hospitalized for 60 days, but it expires on Saturday.
And to think that someone like that could walk out of Central State with no strings attached, with no probation, no accountability for his actions, it is just incomprehensible to me.
On Thursday, the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office filed a petition to keep Perkins in custody.
We're trying to do everything that we can to make sure that the family and the rest of the citizens are safe.
New Commonwealth's Attorney Jarena Weathers says the case and family are on her radar.
I will share with you that we're still here to follow the law. Sometimes the law is not exactly what we thought that it needs to be.
A potential loophole in the law could lead to Perkins' release, but family members believe the law is being interpreted incorrectly. And the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office says the success of that petition she filed is in the hands of the medical professionals who are treating Perkins.
Yeah, well, no, you'll follow it. Thanks, Stefan.